In this video, we'll explain how to survey a flange using the automet software, a Leica instrument, a Type 7 device, and a prism. Automet requires the following data points for flanges: diameter points, the back point, bolt holes, and the stop point. Diameter points or D points can be taken on the front or back face of the flange. The D points define the position of the flange work point and the plane of the flange face. The default number of diameter points is 4. You can force automet to allow only 3 data points in the settings. Try to get good coverage by getting all the way around the flange circumference. The system will produce an error if you don't capture at least 90 degrees of the face. The back point lets the system know where the connecting pipe is, in relation to the flange plane that you've just measured. Take this point anywhere in the appropriate direction from the flange. Once you've taken the back point, you'll see a brief report on screen. The top left box informs you about the coverage. This can be very good, okay, poor, and rejected. Average OD is the average actual outside diameter, minus the database OD value. If this is a large value, then you have likely input the wrong flange. Max OD is the maximum error from a circle. Here you can see that the Type 7 has not been held against the side of the flange. This will give you a larger circle OD error. Plane shows the maximum error from a plane across the flange face. Here you can see that the Type 7 has been held up off the face of the flange. This will give you a larger plane OD error. Next, we measure the bolt holes by resting the prism within them. The Type 8 can be used if you have holes larger than the prism. Take a minimum of 2 points, ideally not next to each other. The stop point should be taken on the opposite flange face to the diameter points you measured. Here we take the stop point on the back face because we took the D points on the front face. The final on-screen report shows 2 values. First is the pitch circle diameter error. This is the diameter of the circle that passes through the center of all the bolt holes, and the value shown is the error compared to the design input. Max pitch error is the rotational error between bolt holes.